How to download and install UpScrolled on your mobile device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we are going to be learning how to get the official UpScrolled application installed on your smartphone, whether you are using iPhone or Android. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once you are done, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. Now in the search bar, type in UpScrolled and search. Look for the UpScrolled application from Recursive Methods Pty Limited and tap on Get or the Install button. Authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password if you're using iOS. On your Android, the download process will start soon after you tap on Install. Now wait for the application to install, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. If you have a stable internet, the process will be done in a few seconds. UpScrolled is designed to make content simple, clean, and easy to read, especially for people who love scroll-style guides and tutorials. It lets users publish content publicly. Users can share, view, and engage with each other's scroll. You can build an audience, and it helps you connect users, and it connects users through content. Once the application is installed, tap on the Open button, and now you can get started by creating your new account. If you already have an existing account, tap on the Login button and enter your credentials. Downloading UpScrolled on mobile is quick and easy. Now you're all set to create, scroll, and share your ideas in a super clean format. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.